watch this vlog, I just wanted to make it clear that I am not a vlogger. I don't know how to vlog. I don't feel comfortable vlogging, especially in public, but I am trying. It's something that I've been saying for a while, but it's genuinely hard to do. And I give all you vloggers out there mad props because I genuinely just can't do it. I don't know how you guys do it. I just can't, but I am trying. So just, you know, cut me a little slack. This is just a random vlog, but I thought to slap Vlogmas on top of it and just call it a Vlogmas vlog. I don't know. I hope you enjoy, and it's a little messy, but you know, it's the first Vlogmas I've done on my channel, so hopefully next year it'll be a bit better. That's all I really wanted to say. I just wanted to warn you guys about my vlogging skills. But yeah, if you guys want to follow me on any social media accounts, I'll have them listed here, and they will also be in the description box as well. So with that being said, let's go ahead and jump right into this vlog. Hello and welcome to this vlog. Hey girl. Hey. We are fresh out of school. Yesterday was the last day of the semester for us, so today we are celebrating. We're gonna go ice skating. We're currently downtown. It's cold as heck, but we're struggling. We're making it through.
Girl, my boogers are coming out.
The struggle.
I can't put it on.
He trying to breathe. Oh my gosh. You guys, there's this big steep, what is it called? Like a, it's like kind of like a ramp.
Rock climbing. Wait,
Jesus.
what are you talking about?
This.
Oh, the ramp. Sis, how you feeling? I don't want to fall. Oh my god, oh my gosh. She is mean.
So we decided to go see the bean.
Because ice skating was not it at the moment.
We look so, oh my god. As long as we're warm, that's all that matters. I don't really care how I look, to be honest with you. So vlogging didn't really go all that well because it's really cold.
It is.
And
our hands are cold.
Yeah, it's a no. We got some hot chocolate, and now I don't know if you can see, we're at the bean.
We're about to head to the Christmas tree.
Oh yeah, the Christmas tree is over, yeah. Oh look, it's right here. Oh my god. So today is Thursday. Yesterday was Wednesday. I went ice skating and I had planned to vlog the whole day, but to be honest with you, it was really cold and I didn't have my tripod with me. I have it set up now. I had to actually buy a whole new tripod because, long story short, when I went to the Lana Del Rey concert, they made me throw out my old tripod because I guess like it's considered a weapon. So I wasn't allowed to bring it in and I had to throw it away right then and there. But I went to Target and got me a new one, but I didn't bring it with me yesterday. Either way, it was just, I don't know, just so much going on downtown, and downtown Chicago is just like so overwhelming for me. I don't go down there all that much. As you guys know, yesterday was my first day like off of school, and today is now of course like the second day, and I really want to clean my room. I feel like last week when I was like dealing with finals and all that, I haven't really been paying, or I didn't pay too much attention on my room. So I just like, my laundry needs to, I have like literally a hamper full of laundry that needs to be folded. Like I probably need a sweep. I need to detox and cleanse. I have a little hair mask in my hair. This is the Cantu Tea Tree and Jojoba hair and scalp oil. I have it through my hair because my hair's been feeling kind of dry. The point of this is that I just wanted to turn on my camera and just like clean my room and kind of like do a clean with me. I don't really know if like people even like those. I do, but yeah, this is just an overview of my whole entire room, and I feel just so disgusted, even though like this is only from a couple of days, but I just know it's just so gross. I need to, my bed luckily is like clean and made, but everything else is kind of a mess. Like what the hell, like I just have random things everywhere, but we're gonna clean this. Wanna feel it, 'cause we can't take no stress.
God of me. If bras, so it gossiping.
Okay, my room is finally clean. Everything is where it's supposed to be. There's absolutely nothing on my floor anymore. We're all good and I feel better. So my room is clean now. I feel so much better. I feel like when my room is clean, my mind, I don't know, it's just, I can think better. I just feel, I don't know, I just feel a little more refreshed. So I think I'm going to stop vlogging here. I'll probably vlog more tomorrow. I think Taejon's coming over tomorrow and we might do stuff. I have no idea. Probably nothing. We're probably just gonna watch Disney Plus. But right now I'm gonna take a shower and wash this hair mask out because it's been in my hair since last night and it needs to come out. And after I take a shower, I'm probably going to watch some Disney Plus and try to edit. We'll see. But yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Can you take your shoes off already?
I just realized I still have my shoes on.
Say hello.
It's me. Are we cooking?
Yeah, well
What are we cooking?
I'm making me breakfast. Do you want some breakfast?
I mean,
Where's the oil?
I cook. You don't cook.
I cook breakfast. And I haven't eaten breakfast yet and I want some breakfast. Where is the oil?
Hello, it's me. Wow, this camera does me justice.
Look at that.
I'm single. I'm just saying. You don't even gotta be in the Chicago area. Anywhere between Evanston and Harlem. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. We're here and the theme is Christmas AF.
Merry Chrysler.
Alright, yeah. We out here. Over here we have a door. You know, not a lot of people have these. So, thank your mom for having one if you have one. Oh, let me show y'all what we wearing now. We stepping. Oh, you be with them steppers, huh? What is that? That's ignorant. Is that y'all's?
No,
That came with the house?
Yeah.
That's a flex.
That's a lot of salt.
You know, I'm not doing it.
Oh.
You make your own thing.
Me? You've been commenting on everything.
You make your own thing.
You've been commenting on everything.
No.
This was my breakfast.
You said what?
What are you making over there?
What you made, but better.
Swing Kung Fu. Call those moves Kung Fu. Hey, what's my move?
Them New York pins is different. The Chicago pins would have been like. Hi, welcome to my channel. What's it called? Get ready with me. I'm here with the one and only. You know the vibes. I'm gonna be plucking the loose hairs out of my beard because gross. Hey, no cap. No, it does hurt. Don't get me wrong.
You just gotta get used to it. I don't even do nothing to my mustache. I literally pluck it. That's all I do. And I got used to it. Everyone's like, I can't do that. I can't do that. You get used to it.
You've never waxed it?
No, yeah, I did. But that shit gets kind of annoying. Because when you wax, you gotta let it grow out. And
True.
what do I look like trying to let my shit grow out?
I knew somebody who used to do that. She's my girlfriend. She was mad hating on you.
And you know what's crazy? When people say that to me, I don't understand. There's nothing to hate on. Look at a masterpiece.
Oh, I look. Wow. So no.
Yes, just like this. Make sure it's nice and flat.
Look, hold on, wait. Okay.
Yes, a look. Hold on.
Wow. Mia, please.
There we go.
Okay.
Who? Who is that?
What do y'all? What do girls talk about?
Life.
No.
This is why I don't have friends.
Yeah, you got me. I'm sorry. Oh yeah, by the way, I am the best friend, Tajon. That's Tajon with a T. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. A beautiful day for a neighbor.
How we looking?
Crisp and clean, no caffeine.
Now can I see your
I can't stand it.
How do we do the outro? You know the end of Incredible Hulk?
Hey girl. Say bye.
Bye.
I didn't film an outro, so here we are. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know your feedback down below. This was something new, little fresh, but hopefully we will get better next year. And as you know, I continue on with my channel. So yeah, with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next Vlogmas vlog, which I don't know when that'll be, but I'll see you then. Bye.